Welcome to the tutorial session on using Rangefinder with AeroGCS GREEN. To get started, click on RPA settings from the drop-down icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Select Rangefinder from RPA settings. After selecting Rangefinder from settings, you can set the threshold distance for identifying the obstacles and assigning obstacle avoidance action according to your specific requirement. Click Connect on the upper right corner of your screen and establish the connection of the drone with AeroGCS GREEN through communication link setting. Upload plan on drone by clicking Load button. You can monitor range values on the upper right corner of your screen for precision spraying. Values are denoted into colors. Color green indicates that the drone is flying in a safe zone. Color red indicates that the drone is flying near obstacles. Thank you for watching AeroGCS GREEN tutorial video.